but kunama family members wethu mfethu sebaphenduka baba ngama stranger kuthini.
Yo.
Kanjani ngikumema njani emshadweni wami? Ukube wena wahamba 15 years ago mhlazana kushona umama noma kushona ubaba.
Yo, mama.
Bese mina mase ngizoshada uthi mina ngikumeme. Mase nenza izinto ezinhle anisimeme. Ngizokhuluma ke Mabunda i-real talk le.
I-real talk.
Vela ama strangers wamemi. Simema abantu ababalekile empilweni zethu ukuthi bazo celebrate nathi. Unfortunately ngeke ngayikhuluma nonkosikazi wami, my beautiful wife.
Oh yes. Oh,
yes.
My beautiful wife.
Yeah.
Ave ibhlungu congratulations esuka endaweni yomona. Hayi. Yema
uNkulunkulu wena ezobusisa umuntu akaconsult umuntu. Uyazi ukuthi kunohlobo oluthize ku WhatsApp Mabunda.
Sure.
Dangerous.
Dangerous.
Lolo view your status.
Sure.
But alikhulumi nawe.
Are you aware mfokamanga kunabantu uNkulunkulu angeke avume bakusize ngoba yazi inhliziyo zabo. uNkulunkulu uyazi ukuthi loyo muntu wakusiza uyobhadala for the rest of your life. Ave kubhlungu ukuthi abantu abaviewa status sakho they are more than 100 or they are more than 300 but isupport oyitholayo ivela kubantu abawu2. Uthi mfokamanga udayisa ama t-shirt uthi noma so uyibekile lapha ku status sakho ukuthi nginama t-shirt angaveli noyiwani uthola ukuthi more than 100 people bavile state but no one has a sense to say mfethu ngicela ungithengele ngiyakusupport ngoba ngiyakwazi.
Ave kubhlungu ukuthi ujump ulwandle for umuntu
sibu
yena nje ahlule ukukujumpela for i-bridge.
Mamango. Greetings South Africa, this is Amadoda Anyakazi Sumuzi. Welcome to yet another episode of Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakazi Sumuzi. Episode number 25. I bafethu siphushile. Thank you so much guys for those that keep on liking, subscribing and sharing this particular content. Nisixolele bafethu, namhlanje I'm not feeling well. I have a flu, so be patient with me. Don't catch the flu over the screen lapho. But otherwise siyabonga bafethu. As always I'm not alone. Nobody. Ubaba Mango ngokwesemthethweni. Baba Mango.
Yeah. No, sibingelele Mabunda fowethu. Sibingelele yonke South Africa, Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakazi Sumuzi. Right mfethu?
Put mina nge-right.
I know, siyabonga ma right mfethu Mabunda. You've just mentioned another name ukuthi ngubaba. Engelijwayele.
How is the experience ukuba ubaba ndoda?
Yeah. No, so it's good, man. Yeah, it's good, even though it comes with a lot of responsibility. Yeah, so ngithembe nje nokuthi sebazosizwa nabangasizwa like Real Talk masinitshela amaqiniso ukuthi hayi kuhambeka ngalendlela. But no, it has been good.
It has been good.
Yeah.
No man, what a wonderful 2 weeks. The past 2 weeks. I think that probably half of the show or most of the show we're gonna talk about this thing concerning Indaba Yakho, because something that is worth celebrating. It's been a long coming journey actually. The past 2 weeks in fact, you've been trending. Trendy samfethu wenza into engakazi yenziwa in history. Bancuzana abantu abayenza lento. We engage this week. The following week yalobola. How's been that experience and the challenges regarding that? Uthola ukuthi ama challenges bewangekho, iqiniso liyafuneka, yabona? Because sometimes sivamisile ukuthi they've been challenges. But then how has your experience been, yabona? Wathi kushoda uMisimango la. Ngasisiza la ibe special episode.
To be honest with you Bhuti man, uNkulunkulu bemuhle ezamuhle nakulesi sikhathi. Especially in this journey that I've took. To be honest with you Bhuti, ayikho into engalwiswa. Especially kule eyam vele ukuthi uplana from ukuthi ngisukunyise next week ngalobola.
Sure.
It kube nama preparation
sure.
behind this thing, like ukuthi I need to do lento le, uyabona. So yeah, ngasho nje but ukuthi mfethu ayibanga into elula.
Sure.
But uma into inoNkulunkulu phakathi,
sure.
kuba right, and utholakala ukuthi mabunda mfethu there's a war.
Sure.
But kuba nokuthula in the midst of the war.
Sure.
That's when I realized no uNkulunkulu nami kulento, yabona. But nje mabunda mfethu it has been beyinhle, to be honest with you. Angaze ngicabanga ukuthi izoba yinhle ngalendlela ezoba yinhle ngakhona.
Sure.
The way umama bekagcoke ngakhona,
sure.
nami indlela bengigcoke ngakhona, to surprisingly kunezinceke ezinye ezingifonele zathi ndoda lesuit yakho le. Yeah, but le color bani yona le siyacana ukuba yinhle. You understand? And to a point ukuthi bambunda mfowethu abanye baze babuza bathi gazi ngosuku lokushada white wedding yoba njani, understand?
The pressure is there.
Yeah.
Increase the budget.
Yeah, but no, but yabona into mayine isandla sikaNkulunkulu, there's a glory and he cover it, and when it appears to people's eyes ibukeka nje iyenye into. But to be honest with you mabunda, yeah, yona ibe yinhle kakhulu nokuba uNkulunkulu.
I want us to go dive deep to more details regarding this institution of marriage. Sure. We're going to talk about marriage, we're going to talk about anything that has to do with it, and we're also going to jump to different kinds of things. Sure. Personally, there is a post that I wrote, I think a few days ago, concerning marriage, to say umshado, it's something that was created for a man. And when a man gets married, he becomes protected from himself. Ngamanye amagama ingozi indoda engashadanga, because there are a lot of temptations that are there, and uthola ukuthi akubi nestability lesesifunekelayo. You get what I'm saying? And then I remember saying, if you can look at this thing to show ukuthi the wedding day, it's most of the time about the woman, but the life after the wedding day, which is marriage, it's about the man. You get what I'm saying? And in as much as someone can disagree with me, but that's the truth. And in Tengshaya, women also benefit from serving the man, because in return the man offers protection and guidance.
Sure.
Provided ukuthi umuntu wesifazane allows to be led. Ngoba we live in a generation where lento yenzile but ayisayenzo. Young people are no longer believing in marriage. Even older people, they're no longer believing in marriage. So kugcwele into yokuthi nje as long as yabona, you get what I'm saying? So I want us to dive deep to lento yomshado. But the first question that I'm going to ask you, Put, why did you say me in a generation whereby abantu they against umshado, abantu ba promoter I divorce, you go left and right, ama podcast, amadoda ayakhala, abafazi bayakhala. I want to ask you this question. Kutheni mfokamango uthi mina in the midst of chaos, whereby abantu they are against umshado, whereby abantu no longer believe umshado, whereby abantu they no longer believing in this right thing, and you decided to say mina njengomango I will get married and I will do this thing.
Yeah, ngizowaphinda amagama mabunda.
Sure.
I'll be honest with you.
Sure.
And yinto lena engihlezi ngayikhuluma from day one.
Sure.
Sicala real talk.
Sure.
Ukuthi mabunda, ukuthi iqiniso uyahluleka ukulenza.
Sure.
Alishintshe ukuthi iqiniso.
Ayisibu.
Ngizwe kahle mfowethu. And unfortunately we are in a time or era whereby abantu sebenza izinto the way bathanda ngakhona.
Sure.
Because mabunda, I'm going to be honest with you.
Sure.
Kwalokuthi umithise emzini wenye indoda.
Sure.
Enengane yomuntu wesifazane.
Sure.
And umithise unganawo ama intentions are wrong.
Sure.
Icala le. You understand?
Sure.
Because at the end of the day umuntu wesifazane osuke uthi ufuna ukuba naye shothi uyamosha somosha ne future yakhe.
Sure.
It takes God's grace ukuthi lo muntu abe restored.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
So mina njoba ngisho mabunda ukuthi umuntu uyahluleka ukulenza iqiniso lishintshe iqiniso lihlezi likhona.
Sure.
And but ngizokutshela iqiniso mfethu into ekuthiwa umshado isibusiso noma yinto evela kuNkulunkulu.
Sure.
You understand? Okusho ukuthi kwasekuqaleni uNkulunkulu into bekayifuna noma i-mandate about men and women ukuthi these people babe together and build families. Yingakho noJesu from ekuqaleni wathi kwakungenje kwasekuqaleni. Uma kukhulunywa le issue yama divorce, kukhulunywa le issue nanani ukuthi nanani, because that thing mabunda yinto eyayivele uNkulunkulu ayidalela ukuthi ibe khona. You understand? So according ngesikhathi esihamba kusona ilezo zinto esikutholakala ukuthi manje sekuyamosheka, sesinabo baby daddy, sesinama ex, sesinayo yonke into, but the origin it was a woman and a man babe nabantwana then bakhulisa. So that is why putting it mina isihogo usiphile emhlabeni nezulu uliphile emhlabeni. You understand? That's how it is.
I'm gonna put you on
and now you can also add.
I will add, but yabona into yomshado iba ne weight mayikhuluma umuntu oshadile. I'm gonna put you on a little bit tight space for the first 10 minutes of the podcast, then I'm ngizokhulula ke, then we're gonna be free. Because of abantu bayakhuluma, and uma abantu bakhuluma, more especially with something that happens on the public space, it's very important for us to bring clarity kule yonto enzeke phambi kwabantu. On the day you got engaged, but esontweni, you refused to do something that abantu do on normal basis, which is to bow down or go down on your knees and propose. You get what I'm saying? Most of abantu, they just do those things. Saitola iyenzeka leyo nto. We do not know the origin. We do not know ivelaphi yaqala kanjani. Remember bafethu, whatsoever that we do, it's our belief system esina. You get what I'm saying? So you refused to bow. You refused to go down on your knees. Why is the case? And what's the explanation behind you refusing to bow? But this gives us an opportunity to teach about these things.
Okay. Ngiyabonga mabunda ukuthi uyichazile ukuthi okokuqala lento esikhuluma la, it's us
it's our belief system. It's not a general law.
Not a general law. You understand? Number one, I believe but we as men, we are leaders. And as we are leaders, we don't bow to people lesibalidayo. You understand? So into yokuqala nje ngikholela kuyona le. Because umuntu wesifazane into ekosa yenze kumina is to receive love from me. That is why even nalapha esontweni I said something, they couldn't catch me mangisho njalo. Kwalokuthi nje ngimfaka indandatho ukuthi ngifuna ukumshada, that's enough shothi ngiyamthanda.
You
understand? Because baningi abantu besilisa abangakhona ukukutshela bakuthanda ngomlomo kodwa izenzo zingakhombi. Unfortunately mabunda siku generation whereby abantu bakholwa into umuntu ayishoyo but bangacheki izenzo zakhe. I said to them ngathi mina bafowethu ngenhliziyo ngiyaguca ngokumthanda. Because the end of the day uma ngidecide mina ngifuna ukumthatha lo muntu lo okusho ukuthi love, I will surrender my love to you. So as why should I bow? Yet I've bowed my love to you. You understand? Because number one, a woman, umuntu wesifazana udalela ukuthi athobele indoda. And the mawuthoba but which mean you go down. You understand? And to us mawuthoba is love. You understand? So ileyo nto mina but engibelivela kuyona ukuthi I'm a leader and this person ngiyoba inhloko kuyena, this person, she's the one. Ingakho abanye mabunda ilento ngizoyikhuluma le ngiyayikhuluma ngoba real talk. Zulu men, they don't bow to women. And if kodwa abantu bayihlonipha into yokuthi amaZulu awabow, but mina esontweni uma ngithi no I can't bow, then kuliwana okusho kuhlonishwa the Zulu people, the tradition yamaZulu, then ngaphe. And to be honest with you, lento put your power to women, it's western. It come from outside. Ukuthi okay kuyapower nan. So ileyo nto, and it symbolize something also. As much as this one is obabhlungu, nan inabo ukusymbolize ukuthi wena ndoda uyawusubmita under yena. akulawule.
It's an exchange of authority.
It's thank you so much. Isilungles exchange of authority.
Sure.
Yingakho I'm sorry not bonke. Yingakho abaningi phakathi emshadweni they struggle because ba fail to understand lento babayenza bebow. It was spiritual. There's something that you were giving
to her. You know, but mina ngicela ukuphendulela an answer to le genge. Yeah, go comment section.
Sure.
And nama rumors oti because of when you did not bow, it means that amthandi usisi. Umbuzo then goes to all those people to say kusiza ngani ubhawe phambi kwabantu kodwa endlini loyo muntu uyamshaya. Ngoba baningi amadoda mfoka mama abhawile the day bashada ba propose. In fact abanye puti benza ama roses mfana baspend ama million bayabo Dubai, expensive lifestyle that doesn't have peace in it. I say those people they don't enjoy marriage. Others they enjoy marriage. But kunabantu puti abak checka ukuthi I bowed to you ngakungenzela I favor. I bowed and ngenzela wena I favor. Kodwa in reality kungcono umuntu umkhombise uthando ngezenzo. Ngokuthi ube willing ukuthatha amandla akho and go to the family. It symbolizes love
on its own, boy.
So why then do we allow the world to interpret love for us? Kuthemba fethu once masingena uthando lwethu lidetermine izenzo zabantu ukuthi ubani wenzeni kusho ukuthi uyamthanda. Yabafethu iyekeleni lento ukuthi nani enishadile or ningakashadi or that are about to get married refuse to do things for abantu. You know what I love about you, Puti? I'm going to say this thing because of I was with you from onset.
Yeah.
Sisathumela iletter to the day engagement, to the day your lobo.
Sure.
You know what I love about you?
Sure.
None of those things bozenzela abantu.
It was on me.
Puti, I'll repeat that again. Umkhado wakho, in case nina enibone lento enhle nacabanga benenzela nini. Uputi behanga niqabange nokuniqabanga beka stressa ngokuthi ifamily iletha yonke lento lezohamba kahle. Hey Puti, that was what was on your mind. But unfortunately, you focusing on doing this right thing for yourself and for your woman. Your results are if beauty I say overflow with crowd. A crowd it picks up, it sees the pictures, the beautiful pictures and everything. Why am I saying this thing? Bongenzela abantu and you doing good thing, your results are to people overflowing. I want to help someone that is out there. Ozoyenza umshado wakhe or her marriage or his marriage izoba ngabantu ingabi ngayi. Ayenzelwa abantu lento. It's about you. If when you're in a space where uyabona budget yami it's according to this thing, you do something that is going to fulfill you.
That will fulfill you.
Emango kusiza ngani mfoka mango and you would be shocked. Abanye they can be shocked and be surprised ukuthi le yanto ibe enhle kangaka. Uthola ukuthi budget yakhona was not as expensive as many people would think.
It was not.
Ngoba baningi mfoka mango abathatha loan bangena ekweletini trying to impress people. Uthola ukuthi indoda ithi sengena emshadweni ifrustrate ukuthi there is this loan ya 100 or 150,000 that I need to pay. Guess what, ma? Whether you have no loan that you need to pay, you did something beautiful, simple, nice.
Right langkhona. Let me explain this thing as Sindlula but to clarify lento ufuna ukuthinta lento ishoyo.
Sure.
For me ngingabhawi the time ngipropose.
Sure.
I understand because of my belief.
Sure.
Unfortunately ngeke ngayikhuluma nonkosikazi wami, my beautiful wife.
Oh yes.
Yes.
My beautiful wife.
Yeah. Ngeke ngayikhuluma. She's smart, man. Smart, I understand, because ngithe mangihlala naye ngikhuluma naye ngathi mina mfethu I won't be able to do this thing.
Sure.
Okay, fine. Sayikhuluma no ayikho inkinga, but inkinga ingaba sesontweni makuthiwa bafuna ukwenzisa ngenkalo like nah man mfethu nani. On the set uma ngirefuse to not to, it was a lot of chaotic nyana. Yeah, it was awkward and there was a moment of silence. Kuba ngathi mina ngiyagula, understand? Umuntu ngangiworried ngaye kakhulu uye plus nefamily ukuthi eish kungabi ngathi manje ngiba lokhu nje yandlula yonke lento but there was a moment la khona ahlale nami khona phansi
sure
yazi utheni sana sami ukuthi awubhawanga lapha that does not make me ngingathemba uthando nalo ngami ngilibonile uthando before abantu usizovela phambi kwabo
sure
indlela ongithande ngakhona
sure
so angijajuliswa ukuthi ubhawe yet mfowethu awungithandi awungenze mina I'm certain you are my husband from day one I met you you showed me love you've done things empilweni yami that no man has ever done
sure
none you understand that
sure.
So what I'm trying to say but ukuthi angeke unyakaziswe izinto abantu abazisho ngerelationship okuyona
yo
yet nina nomuntu wakho niyazazi ukuthi nikuphi
yo
but uma iBhayibheli lithi 2 is better than 1
sure.
okusho ukuthi abawu2 uma bevumelana amazulu ayangena you understand asikwazi ukuthi singavumelana ngento la mfihlakalweni
sure.
sesifika phambi kwabantu sesiyaxabana you understand so mina what I'm saying but ukuthi when umuntu ekuthanda ngokweqiniso futhi nithandana
sure.
angeke ninyakazise izinto abantu abayikhuluma ngaphandle because niyazazi nini ukuthi ningobani
yo mango allow me to say this
sure
ngivumele mbafethu ngisho lento neflu yami ukuthi miningi imishado miningi or maningi ama relationship
sure
aphela aqedwa ukuthi kunabantu abawu2 abadibana bathandana genuinely bavumela influence yangaphandle it can be influence yebandla it can be influence ye family either of the husband or of the wife eyangenelela yathi indoda yakho ayithandi ngabe iyenza sure abantu bagcina baqeda into right because of the contribution ye family it's very important bafethu to understand ukuthi uma uhlangane nomuntu wakho it's about the two of you it's not about your family it's not about the other family but it's about the greatest family that you can ever have it's the one that you create ngoba the family ophuma kiyo nabo banga family lebazenzayo for example singabo bhuti so you create your own family I create my own family why then will I allow me myself ngenelele eintweni zakho njengobhuti wakho ngoba baningi mfoka manga imishado ama relationship aphela and mawuthi ya check these two people they were perfect for each other and uthola ukuthi umfazi beka understanda isimo sika bhuti and no bhuti beka understanda isimo sika mfazi wakhe whether financially spiritual or emotional and I understand ukuthi kutheni enza izinto ezithize but because of influence ye family interpreta into abangay understand angazi if it makes sense so bafethu if you are to get into a love and relationship ngiyanicela ngiyanxusa never allow the outside forces to intervene and dictate how you should live
but so it was better mkhuhlane yeah nisixolele bafethu so lokho nje sikhwehlela la
yeah
prophet mina kuyo yonke lento le process yokusukunyiswa kwami ngivela on public and the lobola process lento yenzakalayo there are so many people but I won't lie to you abangisendela ama message on bona nje on my social media platform Facebook especially and TikTok commenting congratulations Butisbu bebonga abantu and I even thought ukuthi uma izovela ukuthi mina senginonkosikazi ngizoluza ama followers bazobaleka you understand but it turns out a certain way yabangenye indlela but ke bhuti mfana kithi ngifunde na into naye kunabantu abangathandi izinto ezinhle bhuti noma ungenzani ngoba kunabantu bhuti who are struggling lento ukuthi bhuti sibu ngenzo kuhle but kubonaka ukuthi lento engiyenza abantu balwa nalento engiyenzayo and angenzi nentembi kunabantu bhuti abangayithandi izinto ezinhle kunabantu bhuti they are happy, they will support you if ubhede manyale nakho.
Sure.
Ifana nalento bhuti leyo ukuthi you are an addict uphuza utshwala kakhulu.
Sure.
Your friends bayokusponsor ukuphuza utshwala kakhulu. But uma ungakudecide ukuthi bangani bami ngiyacela le mali enivami kungithengela ngayo utshwala. Ninginikeze ngicala ibusiness. They won't give you. Why? Because people, they are always enemy. Ngento enhle enzakalayo. Mina iyona nje enye into engiyifunda yakusebe bonke abantu abangijabulele.
Sure.
You understand? Abanye futhi baze bayavela kancane labo bantu ngangidlali ngiyablock. Yingakho futhi kunabantu mfowethu uma wenzakala okuhle empilweni yakho angaza khulume nje into negative block.
Sure.
There's no need to negotiate. You are an enemy.
Sure.
Because anything that is ephambana nempumelelo yakho nento enhle yenzayo, it's an enemy.
Man.
Ifana nalento ukuthi uthenga imoto athi umuntu kuba uthenge imoto ebove, it's enemy block.
Enemy leyo, yeah.
Yeah, ufana umuntu othi umuntu wakho akahlangani nani blocker. You understand? So iyona ke bhuti mina into engiyifundile kulento ukuthi njalo mawenza okuhle kunabantu abazomelana nalento oyenzayo.
You know Mango, you uthinte something lapha that gets me to think.
Sure.
Mawuthi ke mawunabangani abaphuzayo noma bakuthengela bakusponsorisha ukuthi bafeed the addiction in you. Ingenza lento engisibuza ukuthi kungani isystem seyishintshile in our generation.
Sure.
Emango kudala uma ushada asekele indaba emshado, whether umshado, whether a funeral or anything that takes place, the community or abantu bebaza bathi sizwile kunento enhle enzakalayo sizoletha nazi izipho.
Yeah, baletha
inkomo izimvu to contribute and help you to grow in those things. Yeah. But if you can look at in our generation mang uthi ushonelwe mngani wami kube nabangani abafuna ubathengela izinto. What else you still have expenses that you are dealing with? Uthi ushada mfoka ma kube nabantu that want you to pop out from your own self to feed them. They don't understand the importance of what you are building. You still have life outside of this thing. Good tell what happened to a tradition ethi umfethu wenza into enhle. We're going to contribute and support him in this thing. Uthola ukuthi umfethu or umfethu ubhekane nalesi message. This is how we're going to assist this thing. Ingakho uma uzo enza into enhle or uzobhekana nesimo esimbi kubalulekile ukuthi amehlo akho avuleke kuze uassess isurrounding yakho ukuthi ireacta kanjani kulento obhekana nayo. Ngoba kunabangani mfoka mango that you would go all out for them, but when it is now your turn ukuthi izinto zenzeke ngakuwe bashaya kwangathi ayikho into enzakalayo. Angazi if it makes sense. So kubalulekile ukuthi whether it's a good thing that is happening or it's something negative like death that is happening, vula mehlo akho ucheke ireaction yabangani bakho. Angeke mfoka mango uthi unomngani, you call that person a friend, ushonelwe, you have the whole week to prepare. Ayovela Saturday ngelanga lokungcwaba. Kodwa that particular person is a friend and beyingekho into ebalulekile lebekayenza. Yet when it is you make sure that long for if he's going through that something like death, you are there to support mfethu kushoda la endlini, how can we assist? Awugqoki nokugqoka neshoot, awubi muhle kuba kwangathi lento evelela umngane wakho ivele ngakuwe. So we live in a generation but you need to check ama behaviors abangani benu whether you are doing a good thing or whether it's a bad thing that is happening. Check how do they behave. Are they there for you? Are they contributing or bafuna ukuthatha?
Yazi bhuti lento oyikhulumayo.
Sure.
Ave kubhlungu ukuthi ujump ulwandle for umuntu
sibu
yena nje ahlule ukukujumpela for ibridge
babango.
Hey, umenzela izinto ezinkulu umuntu.
Yo baba,
but yena ahlule ukukwenzela into encane.
Hey mango.
mina that is why butungizwe kahle mfowethu.
Sure.
Abantu ezenzweni zabo bayayiletha imessage but thina sibambelele ekutheni no sidinga ukuthi ayikhulumini kanti umuntu uyayiletha imessage.
Yo.
Ebut even nabantu abangakwazi ukukhuluma ama signs ayakhuluma.
Man,
that is why when umuntu eloku ekumosha ngekwezenzo noma ngakushanga ngesandla noma ngakutshelanga ngomlomo but izenzo zakhe zikhuluma nawe.
Yo.
Yingakho but abantu abaningi abagcwele kuma inbox ami abantu abeza kumina bathi but ungenza ukuthi nokuthi uyangihlukumeza la kanti umuntu ufail ukunderstand the language but ngakuncintsha ukudla manje without saying anything.
Yeah.
That is why namanje ngisasho Mabunda uyabona lento ekuthiwa i-energy. Energy does not lie but
now
kunabantu but ongangena in a room
sure
uzwe ukuthi abakufuni bangashongo but uzwe ukuthi energy khona.
Yeah, siyakhuluma.
Kuyafana nasothandweni, kuyafana nakuma friendship.
Yo,
ukuthi njalo mawudibana nabo their energy tells you man ukuthi no these people they are not for me. And ungizwe kahle ke but
sure
if you don't listen ube nenkani uoppose their energy ungafuni ukubona ngifunwa la
mama
uzofa.
Mama you know masakhuluma ngendaba ye energy. Abantu abaningi bane tendency yokubambelela kwizinto zakudala lezi abantu abazenza before.
Sure.
Bakhohlwe ukuthi into yakudala yinto yakudala. What matters is what is happening now. Lalela ke mfoka manga lo bhuti lo wake wakuphatha kahle that was in the past. Lo sisi lo wake wakuphatha kahle that was in the past. Umngani wake was a good friend, was a best friend nani ifamily yakhe yakuphatha that was in the past. It's a past tense. Umuzwa rena bakuphatha njani manje ngoba sinenkinga mfoka mango yokuvuma ukungavumi izenzo ukwamkela izenzo zomuntu ngenxa yezinto lezi bazenze ebafethu into yayizolo siyayibonga yayi right but umbuzo then how is my relationship with you now ngoba nihleli kanti nihlalele ama past memories umngani wakho solo kwaqala ukusebenza akasakufuni and uyakukhombisa ukuthi asakufuni wena ubambelela ukuthi the time sistruggle sasonke kusiza ngani uhlale esimeni la ubona khona ukuthi awusafuni. Number 2 manga be careful of abangani of friends or anyone that you love oyenza izinto simply because of uzo benefit. Ngoba mango kunabantu abenza into enhle kanti abayenzeli ngoba bethanda ingoba bafuna ukubenefita from lento abakwenzela yona ama intentions wabo are wrong. For example mango let me put it this way. Nibe khona kuwe mango uthi Mabunda ngifuna sonyenze Mabunda ngifuna sonyenze later on ungizwe ngikhipha istatement esithi uma ngobe bengimenzela 1 2 3 4 5 wayena ke manje angangenzeli. That means in the very first place your intentions of doing whatsoever that you are doing something because of you wanted to benefit something. Be careful of such friends who do things not because of it's out of heart but because bafuna benefit, and if they are not going to benefit they don't do it.
Yazi Mabunda mfowethu le ngizoyikhuluma la ngiyazi izothinta abantu abaningi.
Sure.
Kulento yokusukunyiswa kwami and ne process yamalobolo.
Sure.
Sekundlulile.
Sure.
I received some calls kumanya ama relatives engawazi ngawagcina 15 years ago.
Sure.
Athi how masenenza izinto ezifana naleza nisimemi
mama hey
ngifuna ungizwe kahle Mabunda
yangijulukisa lento ozoyisho manje
mina puti ngizokutshela na into naye angeke ummeme umuntu ongabalekile entweni eimportant empilweni yakho.
Sure.
But angeke ukuthi mangizokwenza into eserious into mfethu enhle
sure
ngizo celebrate nama stranger
angeke But kunama family members wethu mfethu sebaphenduka baba ngama stranger kuthini. Yo. Kanjani ngikumema njani emshadweni wami? Ukube wena wahamba 15 years ago mhlazana kushona umama noma kushona ubaba. Yo, mama. Bese mina mase ngizoshada uthi mina ngikumeme. Mase nenza izinto ezinhle anisimeme. Ngizokhuluma ke mabunda ireal talk le. Ireal talk. Vela ama strangers wameme. Simema abantu ababalekile empilweni zethu ukuthi bazo celebrate nathi ngoba kwawena lokuthi sikumeme. Uyi strange uzosifakela upoison lezinto sobe siyiphuza la. Mang, amabuna ngikhulumile. Yeah, mina injalo nje angijiki futhi njalo. Ngicela ukukuseka bhuti. Yeah. Bangathi besingakhulumi nawo. Okay, the time ungenzi next abazanga bawathola ama contact wakho. Kutheni manje mngani wami kunento oyenza sebawathola ama contact. Bawathola kanjani? Why all along you were not calling? Why all along you are not checking up? You do not know whether ngidlile, ngihlalaphi, ngiphila impilo enjani. Why don't you I invite you to come to something ongayazi? Because kwamina awungazi. Uyazi igama lami nokuthi ngirelated nokuthi ngimntana kabani. But the truth you don't know because you are not contributing and you are not adding value to my life. Whether in terms of there is no way putting ngihlala nawe every day. Ngishayeke somewhere ngicabanga. The reason ngicabanga ingoba I spend time with you. So bafethu lalelani. And number 2 mfokamanga. If I cannot invite you when I'm going through my most, I don't see any need to invite you when I'm going through my best moments.
There was this
never mfokamanga. If manje mang I'm unemployed and I'm going through a financial struggle, I'm calling uthatha phone nami ngokufonela ngithi manga mfethu ngishayekele ngicela ungizame ngo200. Why then should I invite you mase ngithola umsebenzi? Who invite abantu ababanathi through amen ezini. If you can be there for me during my toughest and my worst seasons of life, then I can invite you during my joyous moments.
Because here's the truth, invite.
Sure.
Into, I'm sorry to say this, but it's real talk.
Say it, but
into esenza sijabule thina abalandeli beKaizer Chiefs.
Sure.
Umi win. It's because we've been through a lot ne Chiefs.
I say that again.
Sikhalile ne Chiefs. It's disappointer iChiefs mabonda idliwa sihlekwa ngabantu. That is why uma ngabe seyikora ku celebrate wonke umhlaba. Why? Because we were there neKaizer Chiefs uma iluza.
Sure.
And manje uma seyikora sikhali inyembezi. Kanjani but ukuthi mangenza into enhle ngimeme umuntu bekangekho ebubini kubheda. Ngicelebrate now. Yeah, into engizoyicelebrate now. No, but mina I'm being for real. This is a real talk. Let me say this thing mabunda ngizoyidedela kwena.
Mama.
Puti.
Mama.
Ubezwa bathi why ningasitsheli manenza into enhle noma makwenzeka izinto emakhaya those family members. Umbuzo enginawo bazo contribute.
Abafunda imicabango yami ndoda.
Abanye asibatsheli ngoba siyababona bathakathi.
Mama.
Ibhlungu. Kunamanye ama family members angeke sibatshele izinto ezenzeka empilweni zethu, major event that they gonna happen in our life, whether umshado, whether malobolo, whether uthenga imoto, vele kufuna babone imoto seyikhona ngoba siyazi ukuthi abanye ngabathakathi.
Mama. Ngiba simplify leyo.
Yeah,
can I simplify it? Angeke mfoka mango. Ngicele i200 yokuregister kuze ngesikolweni. Uthule uthawunayo ngikubona wenza izinto ngamanye amagama uyenza izinto ezizobenefita wena but ungafuni contribute kulo 200 rand. Fine ngindlule ku200 ngikuqele ukuthi okay sengisesikolweni sengisalile ngazincengela ngayitholela 200 ngangena esikolweni yabona sengikhona esikolweni sengiphakathi le 200 ngisayidinga bese ngiqela mfethu ungizame nge500 yezincwadi zasesikolweni ungishayise ngebhomu nala kule ncwadi then ufuna ke ungishayise ngebhomu ezincwadini fine sindlule lapha ekubhomu ezincwadi ngahambe ke sengiyagraduate nithi emfethu sengiyagraduate ngiphushile ngibhadalele school fees ngincile ngizamile yabona without your contribution fine ngizamile angisho manje sengiyagraduate ku graduation yami kudingeka ukuthi ngithole graduation kami and kwamele ngiyoharisha 1.5 bese wena ungishayisana ngebhomu ku graduation gown fine manje ke sengiyolobola ufuna ukutshela ukuthi uzolobola ungeke ucontribute wahluleke ukucontribute nezintweni ezincane
incwadini
You get what I'm saying? So kunabantu puti who do not want to add value to the smallest things in our lives. Smallest, whether it's a driver's license, whether it's a school fees, whether it's into you fail to contribute on that small thing. Then you expect me to invite you when I'm doing something big. But I still repeat, unfortunately, we live in a generation whereby people that were not there for you want to be there for you during your victory in the name of their family. Alikho mangistruggle anazi ngidlani ngihlalaphi ngikuphi nezwe, but you say you are family. The day zinginetha, the day ngithanga imoto, the day ngithanga indlu, you want me to invite you to that housewarming simply because of you are related to me by blood, but you are not contributing anything. And I'm not saying this thing to people that do not have. I'm speaking about family members that have
plenty of it.
They understand and you are honest enough to say, in fact, I wish I can contribute. I wish I contribute. But umuntu onakho umbona ukuthi uyapusha, uyambona ukuthi uyancenga ugrand lo muntu lo, but akakhona ukucontribute. Then ufuna ummeme azongena njenge VIP emshadweni wakho or endlini yakho or whatsoever. Hayi bafethu, hayi mani kancane
yo buti yazi mfethu uvuse ezinye isikhatsini la
utangaza hayi
sese right
kwangathi ba personal nje
yo yazi hlobo engafuni ukulihleka kule screen
nasase khona isikhathi siphushe kancane
siphusha 5 more minutes. Okay, Prophet
but
here's the thing for it.
Sure.
Here's the thing.
Sure.
Ukuhamba kulamazwi wakho owashoyo.
Sure.
Umuntu uma engafuni ukwenzela.
Sure.
Kukhona ukuthi umuntu akafuni ukwenzela ngoba kanakho.
Sure.
Kukhona abantu abanakho kodwa abangafuni ukwenzela.
Sure. Hey, mama.
Yayizwa lento mabona.
Sure.
Unakho but uyena oyikhethelayo ukuthi akafuni ukukwenzela leyo nto osuku uyicela kuyena.
Sure.
And leso sikhathi wena mfethu you are on a low mode.
Sure.
Uphansi uyazama uyastruggle.
Sure.
Lo muntu upreach message yokuthi I don't want to see you succeed. And hayi ngoba abanye uyabenzela
kodwa wena
but wena specifically akafuni ukwenzela. Yo usuke ebona into ozoba yiyo futhi uzoba ngcono udlula yena. Avele abe yisitha. Yo and abantu abanjalo ngizokahle mabunda. The moment to achieve izinto ezithize without them they become enemy.
Yona ufunda ingcondo yami ngaka.
Awusho ukuthi sisaconnect mfowethu. Aqala kunikeza attitude. Uma ngalo usibanibani unayo imali ekhaya vele ekhaya uyabona ukuthi lo muntu osithembena financial but wena uphumelele kokuncane. How sikacala manje akasakhulumisa. Sicala manje ukunikeza ama negative energy. Why? Because there are people mabunda abanakho and they will decide bangafuni ukusinikeza ukuthi kunoma kusisiza. It's because of balwa nento esiyona, they are enemy to your success.
You know mangu mawusakhuluma so okusho ukuthi kunama family members nabangani. You know what's the funny part mnganami? Sure. Can I say ngicela we disclose le. I believe that during a process yakho of working, preparing for amalobolo, kunabantu that you contacted them with a vision to say, hey bafethu, I'm working on this thing, even if though ungabaqeli, but making them aware that you are planning to do something. And if unengcondo angeke mfoka manga ungitshele ukuthi kunento oyenzayo osebenza kiyo ngingabe nenhliziyo ukuthi I'm lento oyenza yinhle, it means I need to contribute to lento oyenzayo. I may not have the money but I have the car. Imoto yami can it work kulento oyenzayo? But guess what mfoka manga, uma obakutshelile to say I'm doing this thing bathule bakubone se uyenza bangazange ba contribute baphenduke bakuzondela ukuthi ukhona ukwenza into without their presence. Ngoba kunabantu mfoka mangu abenza ngamabomba bathi soke sibone ngamanye amagama emango ave ibhlungu yokuthi umuntu uthi uyocela usizo kiyo refuse ukukunikeza usizo aphinde awishe ngoba yena akafunanga ukusiza emango uNkulunkulu akayena ugogo wenu man
hayi agcoka isikhindi hey
no ngizoyisho uNkulunkulu akayena ugogo nenhliziyo ezimbi zinjalo noma ningasifiseli izinto ezinhle sizoziyenza you can undermine me uthi anginamoto anginani ngiyahluleka listen to me very carefully we gonna drive cars we gonna build houses ngoba abanye benu niyasibheka bese niyas-undermine based on the fact ukuthi ngcoka kwaphepha uNkulunkulu abanye benu mina ngizoyisho lena ngiyaqala please leave me let me address this because the fact that I'm a preacher does not mean that I'm poor. Ngoba some of you undermine the role that we play. You undermine our profession. Yes, bakdala bebahlupheka. It's fine. It's their own. But that's not our story. It's their era and their poverty. It's not our poverty. Ngoba kuna family members mfoka that undermine the profession sasigiyo and guess what some of them they cannot even pull what you've just pulled through the very same profession.
Athi ngivale mabunda ngalamazi lawo
ivale ngoba kuyoza kubashusha
kubashusha mabunda I'll be honest with you
sure
leli qiniso nabasezulwini bayalazi
sure
nabaphansi kwamanzi mabekhona bayalazi nabaphansi komhlaba bayalazi
sure
uNkulunkulu wena ezobusisa umuntu akaconsulti umuntu ngoba kunabantu bhuti abacabanga ukuthi wena uNkulunkulu ezobusisa umuntu uqala kugogo zibanibani nakumama sibanibani emabonda uThixo ukubusisa abantu banenhliziyo ezimbi ngawo babambile
mango busise futhi
let me release this statement.
Release it.
Uyabona the more bekudelela bekunyatsa bamnikeza iplatform because kunabantu abaqabanga ukuthi izinto ezinhle zifanele bona kuphela yingakho wena amabunda izinto sezikwenzakala lezi zinhle bafuna ukulwa nawe baphenduka babe yisitha uma ngathi uzibanibani ngimenze cha dad awumenzanga lutho inkinga usuke wathola lento bekacabanga ukuthi yena uyayideserve ifanele ukuthi ngayithola uyena wena ungayitholi
ayivaleki le podcast le
mina ngizoyikhuluma lento mabunda uNkulunkulu wena abusisa umuntu akaconsulti
wemango yazini into engishanga uNkulunkulu naye unayo le tendency yokuthi ashow off kakhulu uma abantu bagrejectile ngamanye amagama kunabantu futhi abazoyichelela abazoyidistance kuwe kanti the more basidistance kobanikeza yena iopportunity ukuthi aziveze ukuthi ungubani nokhona ukwenzani wemango this point iyabaleka ebut nayi into engishanga uNkulunkulu mfoka mango ukuthi ke the minute azokubusisa isibusiso sakhe phezulu kwempilo yakho sibenefita nezitha zakho ngoba kune level la uThixo abusisa khona umuntu isitha size sibenefite kulesibusiso real talk
with amadoda
naso
hayi futhi sichubeke
cause here's the thing kubhlungu mfoka mango ukusarroundwa ngabantu bodi abakujwayele kwinhlupheko base bakubize ngegama lenhlupheko
bangasakubizi ngegama la
ebodi kunabantu yazini mfoka mango can I say this thing kunabantu abashocked ngalento yenzile abashokwa ukuthi uyenzile bashokwa ukuthi ngubani lo yenzile ngoba kunabantu abaqabanga ukuthi bafanele ukwenza lento yenzile now into ebefrustrateayo ukuthi labantu labe ba expect ukuthi bayenze lento bayahluleka ukuyenza ukuthi wena lo bebangam expecta you were the least of the people that they were expecting to do ingakho ke kumanje kunzima let me again say this thing ave ibhlungu congratulations esuka endaweni yomona hayi yema akusiyo wonke umuntu othi congratulations, well done, you did a good thing, that is from a good place. Kunabantu if umuntu mfokama uyakhona ukutypa ulol afake emoji ehleka yena angahleki, yini engahlenza umuntu abhale ukuthi congratulations kodwa inhliziyo ethi lo Satan.
Emabunda lethana God forgive
Ligodo kuwe mfokama.
Emabunda
Sibu.
Usathinta le ndaba ukuthi kunabantu abathi congratulation ngomlomo but ngeinhliziyo bathi damn it.
Mangu.
Uyazi abanye bathini? Bathi congratulation uphumelele ekuyenzeni lento noma inhliziyo yami ingafuni ukuthi uyenze. Usho kunabantu abathi congratulation ngoba bebonga. Bekubongisa ukuthi yes waphunyuka. Bengithi bengikuvalele. Akusibo bonke congratulation Mabunda mfowethu. Okuvela kubantu from a good place.
Mango. Mango. Nanko omunye congratulations ongishayayo. Yazi kunabantu mfoka mango abenza kwangathi ababoni kodwa bayabona. And unyembeza wabo ubashaya ukuthi babonile ukuthi ubonile ukuthi bayabona, bagcine sebathumela congratulations noma sofika uexpire linithi mfoka mama wakubona bhuti ukuthi ushadile, wasiview status sakho sibone sibanibani ungibonile, wangakunikeza iphone call ukuthi mango congratulations bhuti congratulations siyabona into enhle yenzayo, uyodibana naye emall athi by the way congratulations. Leyo congratulations uhluleke ngani ukusho the type ubona lento niyenzayo, ungibonile ukuthi ngiyenzile wathula manje so uyisho ngoba udliwa inyembezi ukuthi awuyishongo and uyishela ngoba ayivele enhlizweni yakho, uyisho ngoba it's a by the way ufuna ukusuka ebusweni bami, ngoba kunabantu abasurroundile mfoka manga hayi ngoba besithanda ba add inumber and into efana uma bangasho bathi no ake ngisale ngisho ngoba uma ngizongizonda saluthula ufulo congratulations wakho awuveli endaweni eclean manga.
Emabunda le ngiyazi izogila abaningi futhi izawulimaza abaningi
abalimali
ngoba ngiyabazi labo gozolo bakhona empilweni zethu kuwo wonke umuntu. Uyazi ukuthi kunohlobo oluthize ku WhatsApp Mabunda,
sure
dangerous lolo luviwa your status,
sure
but alikhulumi nawe
straight to my status this one.
uyabona ukuthi wenzani, wenzakala okuhle uyakubuka uyathula. Kunalabo aba respond hey congratulate uthulile for more than 10 years kodwa uyacheck ukuthi kwenzakalani empilweni yakho,
uyazi ukuthi ukuphi
une number yakho,
sure
but nangelanga lomhlolo angeke akufonele but kuma status ubusy uyacheck ama monitoring spirit la umuntu asekhaya.
Monitoring spirit.
Kunabanye abantu kufuna nje siba block. Kunabanye abantu kufuna sibavale.
Mango.
Ngoba ibona silo sithi oSathane bana ibona uSathane, mina ngizonitshela oSathane bagcwele kuma WhatsApp status.
Mango.
And ningitshele ngifuna ukuzwe kahle. The reason ngibani umnikazi WhatsApp
uMark Zuckerberg.
uMark uyithengile. Umark wabona ukuthi kuWhatsApp akhona uSathane.
Sure.
Why abe nama setting ukuthi ufuna uset ukuthi obani kose babuke, ubani kose bangabuke. Osho uMark ubona into oSathane bakhona kuWhatsApp ukuthi fanele ufuna uvalela umthatho othiza angaboni into yenzeka empilweni yakho ngoba uzokumonela. Into yakhe ibuke abanye abantu kodwa ingabuka abanye abantu. You understand? So it simply tells but how deep and corrupt is this world.
Manje ubutho ivala kodwa manga sizawuzama angithembisi kodwa sizawuzama. Emango ave kubhlungu ukuthi abantu abaviewa status sakho they are more than 100 or they are more than 300 but isupport oyitholayo ivela kubantu abawu2. Uthi mfoka mango udayisa ama t-shirt, uthi noma so uyibekile lapha ku status sakho ukuthi nginama t-shirt angaveli noyione, uthola ukuthi more than 100 people bavuwile state but no one has a sense to say mfethu ngicela ungithengele ngiyakusupport ngoba ngiyakwazi. Emango sigcwele ngabantu mango abangena baviewa ama status wethu kodwa ayikho into active econtrol. Mina ngathatha i-decision angisaviewa ama status wabantu ngoba iyangishaya into ukuthi ngizoview status somuntu kodwa ngeke ngicontribute to whatsoever le ngizabe ngibonile. Uthi unenkonzo or une service or une event angikhoni nokushare iposter ye event yakho. Emang kunabantu abagcwele baviwa ama status wethu for mahala. We don't even connect with those people. We don't even communicate nalabo bantu. Bagcwele lapha. Emang ave kubuhlungu uthi unesimo obhekana naso. Kungabi nomuntu oyi1 ongak-assista uthi udinga 100 rand mfoka mangu uchecka 100 people.
None of them.
Emang, we are not saying take out 100 rand, but you can say hey mfethu 100 rand angina but 20 rand nginawo. It shows that willingness.
But asivale ngalendlela. I'm sorry to say this, but I have to say it.
Say it.
Ungithintile mfethu Mabunda. Ungithinte kakhulu. Mawuthi utshela umuntu ukuthi kunento enkulu ofuna ukuyenza.
Sure.
Umcele ukuthi mfethu ngiyabona amandla akho makhulu.
Sure.
Ngifisa ukulobola, ngifisa ukuthatha unkosikazi, ngifisa ukuqala ibusiness. Mina there are people engibathintile mawuqala unyaka. I had nothing Mabunda. Nothing, zero bank account. Wawukhona ngimikisa incwadi khabo sisi, khabo mama. You were there. Ngikhomba ibank account ukuthi ayinalutho. There are people engiyekubona but guess what mfowethu, like asizokusiza, but they shattered me. That's when I realized mfethu Mabunda why uNkulunkulu ekhona. Ngifundele yonto kaMabunda ukuthi mina uNkulunkulu ukhona ngoba kunabantu abazohluleka ukwenzela into ethize, but uma ucala ukukhuluma naye umtshela udaba lwakho akwenzele in the presence of those people abebe nama means okukwenzela, abakhombe how powerful he is in my life. I'm telling you the truth, but kunabantu abangeke baze bakusize. Hayi ngoba banganakho kokukusiza, banakho. It's just that they wanna enjoy seeing you suffering. Kanti yet there's a God in heaven who will say angiyuvuma unyawo lwakho lishelele. uDavid ngamuzwa ngelinye lamahubo athi umama nobaba bangilahlile kodwa wena Jehova wangicoca. Mina futhi ngizokutshela iqiniso, I'm a testimony of that. Ngimisa incwadi khabo nkosikazi kungenamali. Ngiyakhumbula nje siyomixa yona lencwadi kungenamali, umfundisi uShaka uNkulunkulu ambusise, imoti yakhe ingena petrol. Sihamba ngayo. Ngiyayiphinda Mabunda. The reason uNkulunkulu thina singabantu yingoba ubonile umuntu uyajika. But the moment you turn and talk to God, I can't be quiet about this thing. It's real.
You know buddy, bengicela ukurelease iwarning.
Sure.
Ungabolenza iphutha ungumuntu. Umuntu afika kuwe azoqela usizo. Bese uyathembisa kanti ngeke ufeze.
Vele ube honest.
Emango number 2, ungalenzi ukuthi umuntu athe noma kungathiwa ke uthembisile ngoba uqabanga ngathi kuzohlangana. Kubalulekile ukuthi umuntu noma kwazi ukuthi amandla okwenza awusanawo, buyela kuloyo muntu uyomtshela mfethu ngangifisile kwangathi ngingakusiza kodwa ngihlulekile ukuthi ngokusiza. Iphutha labantu abaningi nali ukuthi uma umuntu afika kuwe azoqela usizo kuwe bese uthi ngizoyenza, bese uyathula noma amandla akho ukuthi ungenza angasekho. Buyela emuvi yomtshela uzehlisa mfethu ngiyafisa kwangathi ngiyakusiza kodwa isimo lesengibhekana naso asivumi ngoba into yenza naye the minute ngifika kuwe mfokama ngithi emango ngicela ungisize ngo 1 2 3 uthi ngizoyenza. Guess what I do? Angisaqhubeki ngiye kwabanye ngiyocela usizo ngoba ungithembise ukuthi uzoyenza. Ngamanye amagama songibulalile ngoba kungenzeka lo sizo ngilidinga linesikhathi. Yingakho but I once read a painful story. I pray that I narrate this story very well. Sithi le story, there was a man. Le ndoda lena yayihlala ngaphandle mfoka mangu. and la behlala ngakhona kwakulizwe la uthola ukuthi ke this guy stays here and on this other side there is a president or there is this prominent guy ohlala lapha yana kuthiwa ke le ndoda le every day yayihlala ngaphandle but idle ema dustbinini inganangubo zokumba 4 years ihlala ngaphandle inethwa ishawa amakhazi until one day mfokamama indoda yafika indoda enemali le yayimbona vele every time yafika athi indoda yazi engakubona ona jazz yabona ngisala uqela bese ngisala ngicela ungilinde ngingene endlini ngiyothatha ijazi ngizobuya ngizokunikeza guess what le ndoda le I think ingene endlini yangasabuyi ngaphandle the following day kwatholakala ukuthi le ndoda le yayishawa amakhaza for years ayizanga yafa but that night yafa ngoba the minute le yandoda imtshela ukuthi ngisayolanda ijacket waba nethemba nomzimba wa-adjust ukuthi ngizofudumala manje okusho ukuthi la makhaza bekawezwa for years wangasawezwa but the minute ethenjiswa ithemba ema baningi abantu esababulala ngokubathembisa izinto sangafezi kungcono mfokama ngikutshela ukuthi bhuti ngiyafisa ngathi ngiyakusiza kodwa amandla awavumi kunokuthi ungithembise bese uyanyamalala yebafela there is nothing that is dangerous like false hope hayi sivale
but angivale so hey Nkosi yami Mabunda
ma
there's something ebengivama ukutshela yona
sure
I think that's the most humble statement ever
sure
because once you walk with God you realize some of the things it's God's grace umakwenzela lezo zinto
sure
there's a statement bengivama ukusisho yona ngithi Eshbut ngiyambonga uThixo ukuthi angenze ngibe part of amadoda nyasumuzi
sure
to be part of the great thing
sure
noma kuthiwa amadoda nyasumuzi they surpass
sure
mhlambe sengingasekho mina emhlabeni
sure
there will be other people who will continue with the journey
yeah.
the vision
sure
and bayenzi beyinkulu ukudlula as it is now
sure
no matter how big amadoda nyasumuzi will be
sure
but my name
will be
part of the great thing ezobayenze but yaqala uMabunda noSibule nto kodwa buka you understand Mabunda ngizama ukuthini Mabunda asiyeke lento yokunyatsa ama ideas abantu when someone approaches you athi mfowethu yazi nginento esongiyacela ngicela ungizame ngikwazi ukuphusha lento le hayi ngoba unganawo amandla okumnikeza but umnyatsile
mango
you understand because even no McDonald mkhulu kanje there are people these are people's ideas or aba approach ukuthi sicela ni support ngeMcDonald sicela ni support ngeSpears sicela ni support ngeShoprite ngePick n Pay whosoever that believed in that idea ngeke kubala igama lePick n Pay igama lakhe lingafakwa you understand Mabona ngizama ukuthini bo there are people that I approached kulento le but ngiyambonga uThixo because of uThixo efuna ukwenza into akafuna ama-fingerprint omuntu so into engifuna ukisho ukuthi ungayinyatsi idea futhi ungamnyatsi nomuntu obeka leyo nto asivale Mabunda
iphutha labantu mfokamanga
sure
bakubona la ukhona khona bakujudge based on la ukhona khona bakhohle ukuthi as much as ukhona la kunento osazoba yiyo kanti ngabe abantu banemehlo kamoya bebangeke bakujudge based on where you are bebazokujudge based on the drive and the passion that you have ngoba I drive ne passion iyasikhombisa ukuthi ufuna ukuba khona la uyakhona and into engishama kunabantu mfokamanga nami kumanje as a brother that did contribute in whatsoever way that they did that I would never forget ngoba ababona lento boyiyo babona lento ozoba yiyo and manje noma sowubonga uyababala ayiqale kithi lento yaqala kuJesu wathiwa kunolo muntu wesifazana ongithele ngoil lana ngeperfume lana igama lalo mama yonke indawo la mina ngiyoshinyayela khona naye igama lakhe lizoba to this day
legama
likhona igama lakhe asikhona ukushumayela ngoJesu naye singambizi sithi shumayela igama lakhe limbizo ngenxa kunento ayenzela uJesu to be part. Can I say this thing? I'm going to say this thing ngicela ukuvala. Are you aware mfokamanga kunabantu uNkulunkulu angeke avume bakusize ngoba yazi inhliziyo zabo I know ibuhlungu. Can I say this thing? Kunabantu mfokamango la uNkulunkulu noma ba resourced kangakanani uThixo angeke avume bakusiza usafare phambi kwabo uzuzibuza mfethu ungisafara phambi kwakho you can do this thing within 5 minutes or so why are you allowing me to suffer ungibheke ngisafara kanti uNkulunkulu uyazi ukuthi loyo muntu wakusiza uyobhadala for the rest of your life. And every time uyothi makakufuna something from you asebenzise usizo lela akunikeza lona to use you and blackmail you. Do you know kunabantu mfokamango that we are indebted to ngenxa yokuthi basiza to a point ukuthi noma sihluleka ukubasiza ngenxa yezimo basebenzisa lezi zinto abasenzela zona kuze basiblackmail sikhona ukubasiza. Ngoba kusiza ngani mfokamango ukuthi kumanje uthi ushadile umuntu ahamba memezela hayi ngingamboni uma ngiyashadile yimi hey man hence mfokamango as much as ibhlungu but sometimes it's God's grace and God's intervention ngoba uyabona beyond lento ingakho ngizoyisho lento nina ama doorkeepers niyosibona singaphakathi singangenanga ngemnyango niphethiki
kodwa singaphakathi
emfethu wena uyazi amaphosta asemsebenzini wakho ukuthi uyongithola ngiqashiwe la usebenza khona ungazi ukuthi ngiqashwe kanjani le imoto mfethu siyoyithenga ningazi ukuthi sizithenge kanjani ngenxa yokuthi nina nithi sayitoni zoba ama doorkeeper kanti uNkulunkulu unokulivula iwindow as a doorkeeper uvala ama opportunity
uThixo avula iwindow
uThixo uzovula iwindow nisithole sesingaphakathi ningazi ukuthi singene kanjani
hayi real talk with amadoda Nyansumuzi. Thank you so much guys, we are back. Real talk with amadoda Nyansumuzi. Siyabonga abafowethu man njengoba sinyamalele bekuwumsebenzi lo wami ifault yami bafowethu njengoba umsebenzi ungabonga chubi
umfazi wakho
ya nkosi bisolanda umfazi le eneli sprayed so sibuye naye and and nichubeke njalo APA yethu manje
final
bote PA or
PA ngoba final abazalwane laba basimemayo bangafuni ikhipha imali sebayakhuluma naye ngeke basadilana
nathi bakhuluma naye ke manje but siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu kusibekezelela. We promised ukupusha more episode since sibuyile and siyanithanda kakhulu.
Something worth celebrating that we're supposed to say we're on 10,000 10,000
bafowethu ama1000
we're on 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for each and every one of you that likes and subscribes and shares this particular podcast. Siyabonga. This is a milestone. This is the beginning of the great 10K 25 episode 10,000 subscribers. Bafethu keep on subscribing. Bizu mama, bizu gogo, bizu mkhulu, come and subscribe. Nanka amadoda Nyansumuzi akhuluma izindaba ezimnandi. Yabona. Thank you so much. Siyabonga.
Siyanthanda bafowethu. Amen.